Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming back. Today is exercise day and we're going to
Hello everybody, and today what we're gonna do with Eve, I'm gonna kill her, I'm joking. What we're going to do is we're gonna do body weight training. We're gonna do 4 exercises, and pretty much the aim is to do 15 minutes of exercise on a regular. So we're gonna show you guys what to do for 15 minutes. Happy?
Cool.
Let's do it.
Alright, okay.
We're gonna warm up for 1 minute. You're gonna do jumping jacks, and then you're gonna do butt kicks also for warm up. Okay.
Alright.
Awesome, let's do it. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, and hit it.
You said you're gonna kill me. I didn't want to see it.
So now, butt kicks. So
Okay.
you put your hands by the bums, right? So when you get tired, you can do this. When you get tired. Okay. Also breathe in with your nose, out with your mouth, right? So butt kicks is pretty much.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. We're getting the heart rate up.
No.
Okay, we're gonna do it slowly.
No, yes.
You can do it slowly. And relax.
Oh,
Standing.
yeah.
Grab some water. Grab some water just to hydrate yourself. Okay. Okay. Let loose, let loose, let loose, let loose. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do our triceps, right?
Okay.
So what you wanna do is you're gonna take your chair so that when you move your body off the chair, right? That your knees are 90 degrees in an angle, right? And then when your arms are so tight to your body, and then you come all the way down by only just bending the elbow and up. So you're targeting then your triceps, then up. Okay. So it's like you're breathing in, going down, and then breathing out, going up. Okay.
Cool.
Okay, we'll do as many as you can in a minute.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Bend your elbows
Yes.
and go down. Okay, we're going to do a squat.
Alright.
Okay, so what you'll be doing is, you'll be here, right? So pretty much I'd like for your feet to be at shoulder width apart in most cases, right? Just like that. So when you do a squat, remember you're going to go sit on a chair. It's like going to the bathroom.
Okay.
You just go back and you just sit, right?
Yes.
You don't just sit like this. You literally go back to go sit, right? So pretty much you do this and then touch your toe, do this, touch your toes.
Alright.
Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it for 1 minute. Let's see how many you can do in a minute. Okay. Right, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, and squat. Yes. Yes. Stunning. And was it working out?
Yeah. I feel my heart rate is like
It's saying
you are
something.
working out.
Right. Okay.
Right.
Next. What we're going to do is, okay, this one's going to be very challenging, right? You're going to be on your knees, right? Then you're going to lift off your knees. And then let's just focus on the tapping today, just for today.
Okay.
You just tap your shoulders, that's it. So now, to make sure that your arms, right,
Okay.
are in the same line as your shoulders, pretty much like they're underneath your shoulders in a way.
Okay.
Right, perfect. Okay, then now you're going to lift up your knees off the mat. Hold, yes. Can you lift up your hand to
No.
touch? Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Let me try again.
Okay, that's fine. I'm happy to even do that for now, so that we can get to the next stage. We'll see stage 1, then we'll see stage 2 is when
Okay.
tapping, you know what I mean?
On this stage, I can lift in my core.
Yes, it's all about core.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it is all about core. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
And go. Make sure that you tighten your core as well. And let's hold it for 31, 2, 3, 4, nice, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, breathe, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Stunning.
Ooh.
Stunning. Okay, it is all about core, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Alright, then now you're going to lie flat on your back. Right? You're going to lie on your back on the floor. Right? And then you're going to lift the legs up and down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Right. Okay, you're going to lift your legs up. We're going to aim for 30. Okay, and let's go. When you're ready. 1, 2, breathe in and out. 3, 4, 5. There you go. 6, 7. Lift the legs. 8. Feels like now they're not going all the way up. 9. Okay, it has to, I'm gonna put my hand just so they can come and touch them.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go.
Let me catch my breath a bit.
Put your breath in. Breathe in with the nose. To get more blood oxygen. Or oxygenated blood. Okay. One, yes. 2, there you go. 3, 4, 5, nice, 6, 7, 8, 9, come on, one more, 10.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now we've got another 10 to go, ma'am. That was 20, we're doing 30.
Okay.
Okay, catch your breath. And yes, 2, there you go. 3, 4, 5, yes, 6, 7, 8, up, 9, up. Come guys, 2 more to go. Let's go, 2 more to go. Let's go, push. 1, yes, and 2, sharp. Nice. Ooh, nice. Right. So now we're going to stretch, and we'll stretch from the floor.
Okay.
Okay, so while you're there, you're sitting, right? You're gonna take your arms up, you're gonna put your feet together.
What's on sitting?
Whilst you're sitting,
Oh, okay.
and then arms up like this. There you go. Okay, so when you're going to train that nice, then you can push that in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. You cannot touch your toes. There you go. Then touch your shins. Yeah, touch them shins.
You said I should touch my toes. Well, let's try that first.
No, it's fine. Shins. There you go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, now you're gonna open up. I think face me.
Okay.
And then open up your legs as far as you can. Okay. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna put your opposite arm, right? And then the other arm goes this way. Yes. Okay. And now I'm going to push you slightly in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and outside. Right, there you go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, that's fine. Right,
And then
how does that feel?
amazing, actually.
Give me your arms. Okay. And I'm going to push you in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax.
Wow.
Okay, you do this. There you go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same arm, take it back. There you go. Yes, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And switch arms. Outside. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax.
Ooh.
Well done, man.
Are we done?
We're done for this session.